how to promote Digistore24 products on YouTube Shorts. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. To be able to promote your products in YouTube Shorts, of course you would need to have your videos about your Digistore product. And what I could recommend that you guys use is Canva. In Canva, you can simply search YouTube Shorts on the search bar or YouTube ads if you want. Let's simply search YouTube Shorts for now. And you will be able to see all kinds of templates that you could use and modify, as you can see here. Now you could simply follow or use any of this template and replace the videos with the video of your product or even the photo of your product. And you could easily create an amazing template or an amazing video through the templates available over here. So you can easily download them and upload them on your YouTube account. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.